Hey guys, so right now I'm hearing this weird noise. Ow. I'm hearing this weird noise. They're mowing the lawn.
Oh, Dad.
Yes, they're mowing the lawn. Why didn't I just pick this up instead of going through it?
So is it like a guy mowing the lawn?
See? The guy over there. He's wearing a baseball cap. Woo! Go Yankees! I don't know. I don't watch baseball, so I don't know. But I do watch hockey. Go Devils! Yeah. So yeah. I don't know who I like on the baseball team because I don't watch baseball, so what am I ever gonna say about baseball? Beats me. Oh well. Bye.